Farmers in North Clarendon are starting to feel the effects of the ongoing dry spell. They are spending thousands of dollars weekly to source water to keep their farms from failing. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
Green vegetables fill this field. Nearby on a yam farm, green vines snake around sticks, signs of the bountiful harvest to come. But this foliage does not tell the truth about what farmers here are experiencing.
The weather rough pan way up here, rough. When we say rough, we don't have no water at all. Everything abundant right now. I want some sweet potato around there right now, around my bush there. Right now, we're not good there. Everything just a dry down.
The only reason their crops have not yet withered up and died is because of their expensive sacrifices.
Sometimes we use the pump. Sometimes we use the spray pan, spray the water in the spray pan and wet it. And it can't work out. Right now, I have about 2 beds of pop chow sucker right now. And none of them can plant for no water.
A big gas me buy the farming. Big gas. Every day gas, certain amount of gas, every day. For just to do farming. See I want woman to do farming there, almost every day. That the woman have to buy gas. For wetting ground.
These farmers can't help but wonder if their will is being tested. It is dry now, but just months ago, too much water and the hurricane destroyed everything, something they have not yet recovered from.
The hurricane come, and we have me yam blow down, sweet potato, corn, string bean, all those, and all do.
We don't see a man all now?
All no, I don't get not even a dollar. Me hungry here say this, that, and nothing.
They are suggesting their representatives get more creative and tap into the natural water resources nearby and take the water closer to them.
You have a stream from up there come right down here. And guess what now? The stream we are run, we can't get no source of water from it.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Cattle farmers in St. Elizabeth are appealing to the authorities to urgently tag their animals to minimize predator larceny. This follows a series of incidents which include the theft of about 60 goats. Details from Karen Simpson.
The community of Gilnock in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth has been shaken after thieves struck in the early hours of Sunday morning. Birth certificates and passports serve as a reminder of ownership for frustrated cattle farmer Dennis Roberts.
Last night about 7:30, I come and water this cow right across there, and this morning I get a call that them slaughter them right at the roadside here. So. 2 of them, just buy these cows about 2 months to 3 months ago for 120,000 each from Wellington Farm, and this is what happened. So these cows just value about 300,000 for both of them right now.
A 5 then take from me, same place both. Kill 2 over there, kill 1 over there, so, and then move 4 from here, so go over night church, go load it.
Plus how much goat?
And plus over 60 goat.
Mr. Roberts laments that theft is not the only issue he has to contend with.
And right now, we have other cows right now where we can't even sell them because we can't get them tag over how much over year and add now. No tag. We cannot sell the cow them, but the thief them, a thief with animal and a butcher them and sell it. And the farmer can't sell for them cow. You calculate that and tell me how it helps.
But I don't see where we're working now because they attack and then gone with them.
And the meat sells same.
And the meat sells same.
And so they are pleading to the authorities to intervene.
Me lose over 300,000 just one night. See? And right now me have cow over there now and you can't get them tag over how much months now. So what is going to happen? What is happening in Jamaica? What we need to do? Somebody need to come out and assist we. We don't have no representative. People just get up and work hard and no help.
Since late 2025, the Agriculture Ministry was pushing to clear a backlog in the tagging of animals. The ministry's central database office was affected by Hurricane Melissa. At the time, the ministry said there were adequate supplies of tags to support cattle farmers. Karen Simpson, TVJ News.